student, welcome back to Shri Sai Guru channel. Today let us see one more question from the same lesson, pair-linear equation in two variable from exercise 3.2. This is the question number 4. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for 3,800 rupees. Later she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for 1,750 rupees. Find the cost of each bat and ball. Okay. Now here the cost of bat and ball, these two are unknown. So I will take the cost of bat as, okay, cost of bat will be X rupees and cost of ball as rupees, how much? Y rupees. X is the cost of the bat and Y is the cost of the ball. Okay. I mean the cost of each bat and ball. I should add here each. Okay, na? Then what is given here? 7 bats and 6 balls together cost is 3,800 rupees. So according to question, according to the given question, 7 bats and 6 balls. And the 7 bat cost is 7x rupees plus 6 ball cost is 6y rupees. Together how much it is given? 3,800 rupees. And this is our first equation. And second equation, see, look at here. 3 bats and 5 balls together 1,750 rupees. So second equation will be 3 bats, I mean 3x, yes, 3x plus 5 balls, 3x plus 5 ball, andre 5y is equal to 1,750 rupees. This is our second equation. Now I am taking any one equation. I am taking first or any one, okay. Taking this equation only, consider equation 1, that is 3x plus 5y is 1,750 rupees. Then 3x is equal to shifting 5y towards RHS side, which gives us here minus 5y. Okay, then x is equal to 1,750 minus 5y divided by 3. So this value, substitute above this value x as this value, 1,750 minus 5y upon 3 in equation number 2, second equation. I already considered equation number 1, you take second equation. Okay, sorry, here I took equation number 2. Then I will substitute this value in equation number 1. Sorry for the inconvenience. That is 7x plus 6y is equal to 3,800. Then I am substituting x value. 7 into 1,750 minus 5y. 5y divided by 3 plus 6y. This is x value, neatly substitute, plus 6y is equal to 3,800. Now look at here. This is 7x by 7. This is the x value. Now I should take the LCM. What is the LCM? 3 is the LCM. Okay, now 3 is the LCM. Then here I am multiplying these two number here. 175 into 7 gives what? 7 5s are 35, 3 carry. We are getting 12,250 minus 7 5s are 35y and 6 into 3s are 18y is equal to, you should multiply these two numbers, 3,800 into 3. Okay. Then what we are getting? 12,250. Let us continue. Wait. Yes. 12,250 50 minus 13y. Look at here. Minus 30y, 35y plus 18y. How much it is? 15 minus 87, 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus 17. Okay, na? 15 minus 8 is how much? 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay, I will check here. I only, because here I should write correct answer. 35 minus 18. 35 minus 18. 15 minus 8 is 7. Correct. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, correct. That is minus 17y. Minus 17y is equal to 3800 into 3 is how much? 3800 into 3 is 11,400. Okay, 11,400. Then what? Minus 17y is equal to, minus 70y is equal to 11,400. Shifting this term here, 12,250 in RHS side. This is working column. That gives minus 17y is equal to 11,400. On subtracting these two numbers, what we are getting? Minus, okay, it is 0, 0. Minus 850, and minus minus cancel. Y is equal to 850 divided by 17. That is 17 ones are 17 5s are, and 0, 0. Y is equal to 50. So Y means here the cost of the ball. We have considered Y as cost of each ball. Okay, one answer we got. Then substitute Y as 50 in any equation. So I am taking equation number 1. Okay, what is that? 7x plus 6y is equal to 3800. So 7x plus 6 into 50 is equal to 3800. Then here 7x plus 56 are 300. This is 300. 300 is equal to 3800. Then 7x is equal to 3800 minus 300. That gives how much here? 3500. 7x is equal to 3500. So x is equal to 3500 divided by 7. That is 7 ones are 7 5s are and 0 0. This is it correct? Yes, 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35 and okay, yes, correct. 500. And here, yes, it is correct only. I am checking this answer right or wrong. 56 are 300. Yes, okay, 300 minus 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay, correct answer 500. X is equal to 500. What bat? We consider X means cost of the bat. Okay. Then cost of each ball is how much? 50 rupees. This is the required answer. 50 and 500. Okay. Now cost of each bat is 500 rupees and ball is 50 rupees. So this way this problem has to be solved. Thank you for watching this video, and please do subscribe, share and give me the comment. Okay. Thank you.